Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here then welcome to my channel. Today's video is a vlog style video where I show you guys or talk more about fitness, exercise, intermittent fasting and what I eat in a day. So I've been doing intermittent fasting 14:10 where I fast for 14 hours and my eating window is for 10 hours, and so my eating window closes at around 11, but I try to finish all my meals at around 10 itself, so it's more like 15:9. But my eating window the next day starts at 1 p.m. So I start or have my first meal of the day by at least 1:15. Right now it's almost 2 p.m. I'm a little bit late, but I'm going to show you what I'm having. Also, I like to start off my day with some soaked nuts. So I have Brazil nut and I have almonds. 2 Brazil nut and 2 almond, I think that should be enough. And then let me show you how my lunch looks like. I'm going to have 2 Brazil nuts from here and 2 almonds. Baki ka mummy and Gudu are going to have. And today, since I'm at my mom's place, this is how my plate looks like. So we have dal, which is generally replaced by either sambar or dal when I'm at my in-laws place. We have protein from chicken breast. This is a very simple recipe. It's a very sustainable recipe if I have to make it myself. And then rice for carbs, some kheera, pyaz and tomato ki chutney. So this is how my plate generally looks like. The only thing that gets replaced is the dal with sambar sometime, and this chutney is replaced by some sort of sabzi at my in-laws place. So let's say avial, which is basically बहुत सारी vegetables की सब्जी होती है with coconut, grated coconut, very yum. Or let's say chana या फिर some sort of sabzi. So this is generally how my plate looks like now. And I know that a lot of people might advise that I can reduce some volume of rice, but मेरा ये है कि I'm trying not to snack as well. I'm trying to avoid snacking throughout the day, and I've noticed कि अगर मैं carbs बहुत ही ज़्यादा कम कर लूँ तो मुझे बहुत जल्दी भूख लगने लगती है. So in order to avoid that, I think this much should be enough. So I just finished my lunch, and something that I'm trying to inculcate into my routine is खाना खाने के बाद, be it any meal, your lunch, dinner, or if you're having breakfast, your breakfast, try not to like sit in the next 15-20 minutes. So ideally you can walk for 15 minutes, that would be the best, or you can do some light movement, any activity which includes very minimal movement, that is also a good option. Or what I do is, because I don't like walking in a very restricted place like inside the house, I do it from time to time, but it's not my favorite. What I instead like to do is I take that time, like 15 minutes post meal, I use that time to clean up around the house, do some dusting, or if I have to throw some things out of the room, some packages are lying around. So I basically take that time and try and move my body, and I try not to sit for the next 15-20 minutes. Now again, since today I'm at my mom's place, I really don't have anything like that to do. I'm just going to walk. I planned on walking outside, but it's also raining, so I'm going to walk indoors only. I am planning on investing in a good walking pad, but before I do that, I just want to make this a habit. I'm just starting to make this a habit. So थोड़े टाइम के बाद if I feel the need, I might invest in a good walking pad. It's not very expensive. I think 15-20 की range में you would get a good one. I completely forgot to mention why is it that they suggest you don't sit down immediately after a meal. So what happens is your blood sugar goes up, right? There's a spike in your blood sugar after every meal, and you can considerably reduce that if you just do any simple movement like walking or very low intensity, no jumping, very low intensity workout. I shouldn't even be calling it a workout, very low intensity exercise kind of a thing. So yeah, that really helps. So if you are pre-diabetic, you are diabetic, you are trying to lose weight, you're just trying to inculcate healthy habits into your lifestyle, not sitting immediately after a meal is, I think, going to go a long way. I know it's not possible every time. For example, when I'm working from office. I try to get my steps in here and there, but it's not always possible that I finish my lunch and then go downstairs and walk and then come back and work. So it's not always possible, but if you can make it a habit on the days it is possible, why not? Wow. I need to start my workout now. Yesterday was leg day, so today is going to be my upper body day. And I don't have my workout clothes with me. I'm wearing this like very like ghar ka wala short, and neither do I have my gym / workout top here because I've just come here for a day. I guess I'm going to sweat in this, which I don't want to. I really like this t-shirt, but you gotta do what you gotta do. For my dinner, I had air-fried chicken breast made with simple Indian masala, 2 chapati, the same dal and chutney from the afternoon.
The next day.
What are we ordering? Chicken tikka. No, I don't need. तुम्हें चाहिए? We have come for the movies. It is now that it is difficult to maintain discipline with intermittent fasting because अभी 1 बजने में almost 1 घंटा है और बहुत मन कर रहा है कुछ ना कुछ खाने का. But I'll not. We will not. At least. Let's see.
Absolute cinema experience. 4DX.
Somebody didn't tell me it was a 4DX movie, and they blast इतना ठंडा ठंडा हवा. But did you like the movie?
Yes, I loved it.
Okay. Will you ask me? Not so much. I mean, ending was very abrupt. कुछ भी हो रहा है. There was so much unnecessary fight. We are at Mom's Kitchen and Bar. Mom's, what is that? Bar and Social. Looks nice. I don't think so. But maybe go and see. Resto Bar is closed, but look, they have such pretty mirror here. So nice. यहाँ पे भी है. If only these lights were on. क्या मस्त photos आते हैं. Okay, now we are going to go down. I have seen कि Azorte has opened. Guys, Vega City has Azorte store open now, and there's Miniso as well on the lower ground floor. Azorte. I'm excited to go in. मैंने बहुत सुना है, देखा है इनका Instagram पे. Let's go. So we are here at Fiesta by Barbecue Nation. Their buffet thingy, I don't think you guys can hear me. But we opted for buffet at this restaurant, and like most buffets, the starters were really good and the main course not so much. So there were some excellent fish kebab, chicken tikka, veg options as well. And we also had some dessert because it was our cheat day. For my nail appointment. हाँ लड़के रहते हैं. There are too many good boyfriends and partners जो wait कर रहे होते हैं. And not just for nails, they wait for their spa and everything.
Yeah.
Quality feels so good on this one. I think it's for your brushes. I'm like, yes. Cut at the back and it's so beautiful. The finishing is also really nice. There's no heat in my hair. Yeah, khana, but happy Onam. Happy Onam.